we have finished our chapter number 15, right? So today we have start our chapter number 16, My House. Now it is very interesting and good topic for the subject, My House. My. Why? Whenever you go abroad, anywhere in the place of the world, but when we come to our home back, then we feel the relaxation, right? So house is very important, students, and why house is important? It is give the comfort to us, right? It give the peace and relaxation, right? So here is the house topic and the different place. We have seen the many different type of the house. In some place we see the slopy house, right? In some place we have seen the hut type of the house, right? So here in this lesson we have to see about the house. Okay, my name is Naseem. I live in Srinagar. Naseem is living the Srinagar. You know Srinagar is the very hilly area and heavy rainfall is there and it is covered with the snow mostly, right? So since yesterday there is a lot of activity in our school. So in the Srinagar, one school is there of the Naseem and so many activities done by the school. Okay, it will go on for a week and this activity will be going for the week. वो activity एक week के लिए चलने वाली थी. Do you know why? Why activity become the going 1 week? There is a camp being held in our school. One camp is there in the Naseem school. So that activity going to the for a 1 week. Okay. Children have come for many places for the camp and so many places from the around surrounding area come for the camp in the Naseem's school. Okay. That tent have been put in a ground for everyone to stay. So activity is going on. So in the school big open ground, arrangement for the staying to all the different areas students, it made the tent. Look at here students, this type of the tent, this one is called the tent and all the students from the different area stay in the tent for a 1 week. Okay, now we have decorated the school beautifully and Naseem and all the students decoration is very beautifully decorated by the school by Naseem and all the students. Some children have used pieces of clothes to make steamer for the doors and some students has make the steamer है ना, आप लोग को पता है बोट कैसे बनाते हैं, तो उन्होंने स्टीमर्स बनाई थी और डोर के ऊपर लगाने के लिए. Some have made posters using the almond shell while other have made rangolis using dry leaves and the sawdust. किसी ने क्या बनाया था, किसी ने आलमंड मतलब पता है आपको, जो बादाम होता है उसमें से जो सेल निकलते हैं, आलमंड कैसे निकलती है, उसको खोदना पड़ता है, उसका जो सेल है उसमें से उन्होंने पोस्टर बनाए थे. ओके, एंड मेक रंगोली बनाई थी क्या यूज करके, ड्राइंग लीव्स, सूखे वाले लीव्स लेके, एंड सोडस्ट. व्हाट इज द सोडस्ट? सोडस्ट मीन्स तो जो वुड होता है ना, जो कारपेंटर बनाता है उसमें से जो छोटा पार्ट जो गिरता है, इट इज कॉल्ड द sawdust. Okay, so all are the very busy for the decorating their school. Okay, today is the first day of the camp and first day start of the camp. We are very happy, all are very happy because some new friends are also going to come in the school. Okay, in the morning we all are got together and sat down on the ground in the circle. All are the sat down in the circle shape. सब बैठ गए थे circle shape में. Okay, each of us introduce ourselves and spoke out where we come from and all are the introducing one by one. आपका फर्स्ट डे होता है ना स्कूल में, तो आप इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं कि मेरा नाम ये है, मैडम भी इंट्रोडक्शन देते हैं. तो जो सारे जो स्टूडेंट्स थे जो जहाँ से आए थे वो अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे थे. ओके, एंड वी लाइक टू ईट, और सब एक साथ में बैठ के खाना भी खा रहे थे. चिल्ड्रन bought pictures of their family and their homes. All the children bought the family picture and the home का picture लेके आए थे. Everyone spoke about their home and all are speaking, all are the talking with the about their home. Bhupen's group was the first to talk. Now it is the turn of the Bhupen's group. they are distributed in the different groups. Okay, so Bhupen introduced himself and said, now Bhupen has to introduce himself and what care has to be taken by those who are living in the house made of the bamboo or wood. अगर वुड के हाउस है तो उसमें क्या केयर रखनी चाहिए. ओके, दिस इज द ओनली एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड दिस इज द डिस्कशन विद द स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ आई हैव कम फ्रॉम द मोलन विलेज. कहाँ से आया है? मोलन विलेज इन द आसाम. इट इज द आसाम. ओके, नाउ इट रेन्स हेवीली इन अवर प्लेस बिकॉज आसाम इज द western part. So okay, so that's why they have the heavy rainfall. And what is the house is made in the heavy rainfall? We have to protect the heavy rainfall. Which type of the house they have to prepare? We see in this explanation. Hence our house are made almost 10 to 12 feet above the ground. Now what is the speciality? When the people who lives on the hilly area or in the heavy rainfall area, that build the house above the level of the ground. It is the 10 to 12 feet. वो क्या करते हैं? ग्राउंड से 10 to 12 फीट के ऊपर के लेवल पे हाउस बनाते हैं. ओके, दे आर मेड ऑन द स्ट्रॉन्ग बम्बू पिलर. व्हाट यू नो, यहाँ देखो सपोज ये ग्राउंड लेवल है तो उनका घर कहाँ पे बनता है? इतना यहाँ से बनाना शुरू करते हैं और वो पहले जो बम्बू है, बम्बू इज अ वन टाइप ऑफ द टॉल ग्रास, राइट, यू नो, एंड वो बम्बू के पहले पिलर बनाते हैं. ओके, inside of our house are also made up of wood and all the house is made up of the wood. और घर के अंदर भी वो लोग wood यूज करते हैं. ओके, now it was the चमेली's turn. अब किसका टर्न आया? चमेली's. Now the Bhupen give the introduction about their house and it is in the Assam and heavy rainfall, so they are making the house of the bamboo, use the bamboo and use the wood. Okay, now it is the Chameli's turn. I have come from the Manali, which is the hilly area. Manali come into the hilly area. मतलब आप जहाँ हिमालय की तरफ जाते हैं तो कुल्लू मनाली आता है, बराबर. तो वो हिली एरिया में, हिली मीन्स द माउंटेन रेंज. ओके, एट आवर प्लेस इट टर्न्स हेवीली. और वहाँ भी बहुत हेवी रेनफॉल होता है एंड स्नो एज वेल, और ज़्यादा स्नो भी होता है. वेन इट इज़ वेरी कोल्ड, बहुत ठंड लगती है. वी लाइक टू सिट इन द सन. हमको बहुत ठंड लगती है तो हमको सन के नीचे बैठना बहुत पसंद है, उनकी लाइट में बैठना बहुत पसंद है. आवर हाउस आर मेड अप ऑफ द स्टोन एंड वुड. तो उनके हाउस किसके बने हुए थे? स्टोन एंड वुड. भूपेन का भी कैसे बना है? वुड. और इसका चमेली का स्टोन से. Okay students, now Mitali and Arjun said, up now turn the group of the Mitali and the Arjun. Okay, Mitali and Arjun have come from the Rajkot. Both are coming from the Rajkot. They showed picture of the Rajkot to everyone. Now look at here, this is the picture of the Rajkot. ये राजकोट का पिक्चर है ना. In each one picture seeing very high building. Here is the very high building, this one. Okay. Now Bhupen said, oh, such tall house. Bhupen said such tall house because when the hilly area or the heavy rainfall area, we cannot build the high building. Okay. Now how do you climb up? आप कैसे चढ़ते हो उसके ऊपर? This is the question. Okay. Here is the explanation given. New Delhi is the capital of India. People from villages and towns from the big cities like the Delhi in search of the work. All are the coming for the in search of the work to the Delhi. Okay, these people often settle in the city and all other people also settle down in the Delhi because of the employment is there. Okay, now there is a large number of people living here and space is lost. So it is the loud, it is the crowded area. Delhi is the crowded, more population is there and the land area is very less. So that type of the people live in the multi-stored building. Okay students, up to here we have finished our lesson. Then after explanation in the next video. Now we see the workbook part. My house, page number 125. Okay, with which thing is the pakka house made up of? Now some places it is the pakka house. It is made up of the cement, sand कच्चा हाउस किससे बनता है? इज द काउ डंग और मड. ओके, काउ डंग एंड मड. काउ डंग मीन्स व्हाट? जो सीट होती है ना एनिमल की, हाँ वो. Then in which Indian state does it rain for most of the days in a year? Then very heavy rainfall is in the Assam state. Assam. Okay? This is the option D. 8 number. What is an igloo? Igloo is a made of the house made up of the snow. Snow से बना हुआ होता है. And हमारा explanation बाकी है. इसलिए जब इग्लू का टर्न आएगा मैं आपको बताऊंगी इग्लू क्या होता है. ओके, मेरा बॉक्स आइस इज द ऑप्शन सी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. द पीपल इन कच्छ बिल्डिंग हाउस कॉल्ड द. जो कच्छ के लोग हैं वो जिस घर में रहते हैं उनको बोलते हैं विगवाम. विगवाम बिकॉज they are living in the desert area. Okay, in areas of the heavy rainfall houses are built from the. In the heavy rainfall of the hilly areas the people build the house of the wood. Okay, a snow house is known as the. Snow house is known as the igloo. Igloo is made of the snow. Okay, now 4 number. The Kashmiri drink which has the almond and the cardamom is known as the kava. It is the special type of the drink which drink by the Kashmir people because Kashmir is in the hilly area and it is covered with the almost the snow. So they have to drink the kava. Okay, the children went for the picnic on blank day in the Srinagar. Picnic के श्रीनगर में कहाँ जाते हैं? It is the Dal Lake. The roof of the house where there is a heavy rainfall are called the. Heavy rainfall are called the roof is the slopy area. जो ज़्यादा बारिश होती है वहाँ. Okay, house whose ground floor and the wall are made of the mud and cow dung is the called the kacha house or you can say the row house. Is the row house. Okay, people take right or wrong. The number of the kacha house is more in cities. No, in all cities it is the big pakka house is there. The roof of the pakka house is made of the iron and cement. Yes, it is the made of the iron and the cement. Kashmiri people stay in the house made from the ice known as the igloo. Yes, it is known as the igloo. Sorry, Kashmiri people stay in the house made of the ice known as the igloo. No, Kashmiri people don't live in the igloo. It is live in the Eskimos people live in the igloo. Okay, a boat with a house made on the. It is known as the houseboat. Yes, it is known as the houseboat. People live in the terraced house in area of the heavy rainfall. No, it is not the terraced house. It is the house of the wood. There are more than 5 stores in the multi-story building. Yes, in the multi-story building it is the more than the 5 stores. Okay children, we see here match the following. Snow house is the made of the igloo and it is called the igloo. Okay, drink of the Kashmir, it is already discussed, it is called the kava. Okay, Dal Lake is in the Srinagar. Sorry, Dal Lake is the Shikara. What is the Shikara? We will discuss next video. Okay, what is the Shikara? Building with the many stores, it is the multi-story building. Okay students, up to here you understand. Now repeat, if you don't understand, see the video again and again. Okay.